Here we say sibling, we are not saying child. Meaning of sibling is this div, it opens here, it closes here. Maybe I now have one P like this. Welcome to another episode. Now, this P is what is called sibling to this div. Div is a tag. We open here, we close it. The next element is what is called sibling. Now we now have div, which is the first tag, plus P. It means a sibling to div. What is now the next element to this div? You see, I open div here, I close it. The next tag, any next tag you open and close is a sibling to this one. Now let's run this and check what we have background. You can see welcome to another episode. So another episode is a sibling. That is why it takes div plus P. It means after a tag called div, any tag that follow it called P will now have that effect. That is how adjacent sibling works. And before I move to this last selector we have, in this if you check here, adjacent, it means the first P after div. This is div, the first P. That is why it works. Which means if I have another P called episode 456, it does not have background because adjacent means under or the following one. So the first P you will see after div is this. That's the one that we have background colored, not the second one. But if you want to make reference to all P after div, you are going to change this one. That's what is called general. They call it general sibling. So what are you going to use? You are going to use tide, this side, this sign. You see. So that means I've sibling after div. Unlike this plus, which means immediately the first P immediately. But this one, if this one just refresh, you can see. So that is selector in CSS. Now let's work with pseudocode. Pseudocode. Example of pseudocode in CSS is when we were dealing with link that I put this link. So anything you see that have this colon before another code in CSS is called pseudocode. Now let's deal with one example now. I'm going to use, let me create one div now. The div should have some content. Welcome. Let's try to generate sentence, complete sentence. You want to generate, let me use Microsoft Word to generate sentence for you. What you do, just type equals to. Let's do it like, let me zoom it. Type equals to rand, open brackets. How many sentence? 4. How many paragraph? 4. It's too much. 2 paragraph, 2 sentences. Enter. You can see. So I need this text. Let me copy it. So let me copy it here. Oh, it's too much. Okay. Now let's assume that we have something like this in our website. Something like this. Let's design this our div first. I'm not dealing with pseudocode yet. Div width 300 pixel, margin, auto, background, this. Okay. Now the meaning of, let's have one pseudocode div over. This over means when your mouse is on it. So this kind of code I'm writing now, this kind of code is called pseudocode. Now over background black, text color white. This over means when my mouse is on it, this thing will not happen. So let's check. My mouse is on it, my mouse is out, my mouse is on it, my mouse is out. So that means you deal with pseudocode hover. Okay, now we still have another pseudocode. There are many. I'll be giving you one after the. Let's have something like this. Let's have a href. Don't put anything there. Bring my text. Now come to this place. What I want to achieve now is this place, this text, I want it to disappear. That anytime I move my mouse on this place, anytime I move my mouse on this place, this text should appear. If my mouse is out of this place, this text should disappear. Let's go. Number one, I want to hide this div. So how will you hide it? Do it like this. Display none. So that means it will not be displayed. Let's check. You can see. So if my mouse is on it, it should now display like this. What is that thing if my mouse is on? Okay. A over. So over. What do you want to display if your mouse is on this over and div? So display block, because opposite of none, if something is none, if something is hidden, if you want to bring it out, is either you use block or inline. So let me use block. Now let's check. Okay, it does not. Now why is because you are going to deal, you need to deal with a child here. Let's do it like this. This is div. This div, you hide it. Let me use good background so that we can see what we are doing very well. Color white. Now this div is hidden. Fine. Don't let us hide the whole div. Let's have the paragraph to hide there. Let's say inside this div, we have some text there. Show me the rest. So the rest we put inside paragraph. So that means we